Hello and welcome. Today we're playing Rivals and maybe something else, but it has a new game mode. I checked it out. Pretty cool, and we're gonna play something else too. Oh, Cyber Legends. What the hell is that? But we're gonna play Rivals today. I hit that code. Like few days ago, and I'm just gonna say that I'm not really good at rivals. I have only those weapons. I have every normal. I am gonna get today I'll get energy bundle but also I have those things. I am saving up keys for the scythe. But wait, let's close the chat. I don't need this. Let's go to shop. Let's go to bundles. I don't know if you hear me. Comment here. Yeah, I'm gonna get this energy cell. Wait, I'll save from the start. Energy rifle, energy boosters, Apex air rifle, the skin, Apex pistol, the skin, I don't know what that does it mean. Energy cell and beacon. Beacon is, I think it's a finisher. Energy cell is a charm. I don't know. Let's watch. I'll go to weapons. And I don't know. Let's go shotgun. Let's go finisher. Yes, beacon. That's what I'm gonna get. Cool. But now let's go to the close the chat again and go to that. About that's I hacked the files. Fake cheating, but actual cheaters get banned. It has aimbot, and you can see where others are. Ooh, dual wield. I haven't actually played this ever, so I want to verify this out. I still don't know if you can hear me or not. Let me know. Let's do Arena. That's my favorite map. What the hell he picked, but I have a he pick an shotgun. Shotgun, daggers, knife. What the hell does this mean? I can dual wield those things. Huh? Oh, I can dual shot those things. Oh, I'm bad. I'm gonna be bad at it. No, he's using Uzi and assault. I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna get shotgun and Uzi. So, he flashbanged me. No, I'm so bad at this thing. No, I'm gonna lose. Wait, what happens if I go to... Oh, I can do it like that. I'm gonna be better in this thing, but... Yes. It's like Uzi. I can't play Uzi. I can make gunblade Uzis. This is actually using gunblade. I don't have it. I'm saying I do not have it, but it's much we're gonna gonna do. I'm really bad at things like that. I'm better right now, but I'm still not the best. What was that animation? It was so cool. It was like, phew. I don't know. When I'm jumping up, it's like sound like that. I don't know if it is. Yes, and here's it. I can play this for long, but to hub. Let's go to hub. In the shop. What? What did you say? Let's go to the shop. It said you can watch. I have those two things. I bought the XP bundle and my friend gifted me the starter bundle. My friend has every weapon except distortion and permafrost in the game. Nostalgia bundle. I want that, that's so cool. Cool things. I don't know what the hell that is. But wait, skills. Huh? Let's go to the daily shop paper. That's so good, but it costs 10. I don't like that. Then not less. Okay, let's go to here. That's what I wanted to show you. Redeem code bonus. Baby dog. Baby dog. Arena. Teammate. Choose Arena. Yeah. Like, watch. I can see what the hell they are. Does this still do that? What the hell is this one? Look, I have aimbot and I can see where the hell they are. I actually have aimbot. I have aimbot and that's the truth. Okay. That's the most kills I had in our round. Because normally my friend steals every kill and I get assists. But I'm okay, I need to. Oh, I wanted to say I'm good with shotgun because I did never kill with shotgun. I actually aim, but now we lost. Okay. Oh, what? No, the absolute noob just what did just happen? I don't know what the when I'm gonna die, I'm gonna... Okay, I just like so Cobb. Let's go to High. But okay, that was what I wanted to show you. But some other games too, like what the hell is the Saber Legends? Because now I'm just gonna play some random games. What the hell is that? No, that looks like some... How the hell do I even ignite now? Oh, like that. Shoot. M2? What the hell is M2 means? What the hell is M2? Huh? Okay, so I can edit it, use Alt, C, M2! M2 means like right. Watch out for that. I think yes, it comes itself. Swap power. Huh? Shock. Huh? Still tested. Use power. I'm invisible. I'm invisible. Hey! That's cool. Get the book. What powers? I have 10. I think I'm gonna use shock. Next most. Okay. Now I'm gonna just that's cool. Then got to fight. What the hell is that? Did it just get that? Yes, still. Yes. Oh, when I use that, still. I can that's that was a bad game. Like everything else was cool and all, but the think that I don't even know. Like it was bad. Blade Ball. I haven't noob characters just like gone. What the hell? Parkour champions that looks like anime. Build a cart. I don't know if I want to. There is one game that I really want to play, but it costs 30, and I don't have money. Money like that. So it was early access, I think. So maybe now it's not. Uh, can Anki early access night? Look, it costs very much. Think. Yeah, let's go back here. I don't know, maybe Hyper Shooters Ninja Legends. I have, please donate this. I am like saving. I need a Robux there because I'm saving up for my brother's birthday. But Corker versus 2 Physics Simulator. No. I'll look something up. Sniper Arena, Airsoft Battles, Nuke Tycoon. No, it's nothing here. Those games are before I became a YouTuber. Maybe, I don't even know, Ninja Legends. It's a OG. For me, it's a OG game. Really OG. And I'm very comfortable with this. I have 4 double jumps. Wait, there's one place what gives you a heal forwards. No, what the blue thing was that up there. First of all, I'm gonna find it. Now, what the hell is that? What the hell is the blue thing there? Oh, it's just crazy. I like to see I have -2 dark aura. I want to be the dark wielder. Yes, I have -1 aura. I need -25 aura. Is what I need actually. No, you see, I have 11 souls. I think that This did cost 75k. Something somewhere did cost souls. Is it some here? Yeah, it's a dark cleaner. Yes. No, I don't need minus aura. I need 25 souls. Yes. 2x souls, 2x copper. Everything's alright. I need to. Mercy, Jesus. And somebody did just kill me. But I think I'm a bad boy. I'm a. He's a dark leader! The thing I want to become. Oh. That's logic. He needs souls. Electron. Have a look at it. I have 13 souls. Who the hell are you? And he has too much skill. I don't even have skill like that. I have tiger health like you see. Actually, wait. I can buy so much for money like that. Huh? Ten-second visibility. Yes, sir. I'm jumping so high. Oh, I have two. Let me see. Invisible for. Oh! Cooldown. How much does this cost? 1 million. Okay, I'm going for it, I think. I'm going for. Ooh, there is yes. Peace. Strong. This dude's just good kill. Yes, a sword. I have 14 souls. I need 11. Just get to this thing. have that perfectly high, but right now I'm just I need shield. This dude's not here. Means he's somewhere around. That dude with the blue sword or whatever. I'll call him the blue dude. He has just so unmuch HP. I'm gonna one-shot him. I remember when I was a little newbie. And I literally... Here's the blue dude. Where the hell did you go, blue dude? Blue dude? I'm back here. He's literally hiding. I just come and one-shot him. Blue dude. Nine more, and they will finish one. Huh? He's there. I'm literally looking at him like it's some sort of death show. Just jumping down on him. But it's somebody just killed the blue dude. No, they killed the blue dude. Well, they are from the dark side like me, so it's logical that they need souls. I need 9 souls, definitely. So good in this thing. No! He did kill me. No. What the hell is that? How many percentage was that? This is now easy. I did kill both of us. I think that the YouTube either hates this, but the blue dudes. Wait, what the hell? He has shorter guns. Nathaniel, come out. I want to kill you. That was literally, I was in the air and I pressed the thing like no one. Then so I then jumped down. I just literally jumped in the air. Oh. Haven't ever got this. I think without the train I'll get to the max. Who was that? No, I did start. I'm going for 2 million, so I can get I'll go to the part of the vector. Don't know how to manage this, but I can show you this. Like the grasshopper. No, it was grasshopper. 2 weeks. I'm going insane! I need souls. One feature in the server. Wait, what time it is? I can't play as much. Actually, no. This was a good time. So, bye.